Welcome to our GuideLight Review, where we illuminate the benefits of this revolutionary safety solution. Join us as we explore the features and functionality of GuideLight, the ultimate pathway and nightlight. From its effortless installation to its long-lasting LED bulbs, discover why GuideLight is the go-to choice for enhancing home safety. Let's shed light on GuideLight together. What is GuideLight? GuideLight is a modern safety lighting solution that replaces conventional outlet covers with integrated LED pathway and night lights. Its effortless installation and automatic activation make it a convenient and energy-efficient choice for illuminating dark areas in your home, enhancing visibility and minimizing the risk of accidents. Four important features of GuideLight. Effortless installation. GuideLight's snap-and-go installation process ensures hassle-free setup within seconds, eliminating the need for complex wiring or professional assistance. Dual functionality. Acting as both an LED pathway light and automatic nightlight, GuideLight provides versatile illumination for dark areas such as hallways, bathrooms, and bedrooms. Space-saving design. With GuideLight's integration into outlet cover plates, you can free up valuable outlet space, eliminating the clutter of traditional plug-in nightlights. Automatic activation. GuideLight's automatic on-off feature ensures it activates at night, providing consistent safety lighting without the need for manual intervention. Why do we love GuideLight? An effortless snap-and-go installation process ensures quick setup. Versatile as both pathway and nightlight. The integrated design maximizes outlet space, eliminating clutter. Convenient automatic activation at night enhances safety and convenience. Durable LED bulbs offer a long-lasting 25-year lifespan for reliable performance. How does GuideLight work? GuideLight's innovative design ensures effortless installation and reliable functionality. Simply replacing your existing wall plate, GuideLight snaps into place within seconds, requiring no wiring or professional assistance. Its LED lights provide soothing illumination for up to 25 years, automatically activating at night to enhance visibility without consuming unnecessary electricity. With GuideLight, safety and convenience come hand in hand. Why should you choose GuideLight? Choose GuideLight for effortless safety lighting. Its innovative design integrates LED pathways and nightlights into outlet covers, providing convenience and elegance. With automatic activation, easy installation, and long-lasting LED bulbs, GuideLight offers a reliable, energy-efficient solution to illuminate your home and enhance safety in dark areas. GuideLight price and packages? 8 GuideLights package. Unbeatable offer, buy 4, get 4 free. Enjoy a discount of 50% off the retail price of $239.92, saving $119.96. Illuminate your home effortlessly with free USA shipping for added convenience and savings. 5 GuideLights package. Buy 3, get 2 free. Enjoy a discount of 40% off the retail price of $149.95, saving $59.98. Enhance your home safety at just $89.97 with free USA shipping included. 3 GuideLights most popular package. Our most popular package offers 3 GuideLights. Buy 2 and get 1 free. Enjoy a discount of 33% off the retail price of $89.97, saving $29.99. It's a fantastic deal. Plus, enjoy free USA shipping for added convenience. Single GuideLight package. For individual needs, our single GuideLight is available for just $24.99, saving you $5 from the retail price of $29.99. Enjoy a discount of 5%. Add shipping and handling for a convenient home safety solution. GuideLight Reviews complaints. For more details, please refer to the description on techidevis.com. Thank you for watching our GuideLight review. We hope this video provided valuable insights into the benefits and features of this innovative safety solution. Don't forget to subscribe for more reviews and home improvement tips. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Illuminate your home with GuideLight and enjoy enhanced safety and convenience. Until next time, stay safe and keep shining bright with GuideLight.